Solve by graphing. Y equals 1/2 x plus 6 and 4y minus 2x equals 6. If we look at the first equation, it's already in slope-intercept form, so we can use that to graph. We can see that the slope is 1/2 and the y-intercept is 6. So we start at 6 and we rise up 1 to the right 2, up 1 to the right 2. We can also go down 1 and to the left 2, down 1 to the left 2, over and over again to get more points in the opposite direction. And we connect the dots to get our line. Now the other equation, 4y minus 2x equals 6, that is not in slope-intercept form. We could put it in slope-intercept form, or we could use the intercept method. Really, either way works. Let's use the intercept method. I'm always in support of students getting more practice with that. So to find the x-intercept, we can let y be 0. That gives us 4 times 0 minus 2x equals 6. Anything times 0 is just 0, so that term vanishes, and we're left with 2x equals 6. Sorry, negative 2x equals 6. And if we divide both sides by negative 2, this gives us x equals negative 3. So we've got an x-intercept of negative 3. Now, for the y-intercept, we're going to let x be 0. If we do that, then we have 4y minus 2 times 0 equals 6. Anything times 0 is 0, so that second term vanishes. We're left with 4y equals 6. To get y alone, we divide both sides by 4, and 6/4 reduces to 3/2, which is the same as 1.5 or 1.5. So our y-intercept is going to be at 1.5, which is going to be halfway between 1 and 2. So our y-intercept is there, and we can connect the dots to draw our line. And it's going to look like that. Down here, it's going to look like that. And in this case, it looks like our lines are parallel again. Now, you can verify that they're parallel by putting the other equation in slope-intercept form, if you want to be sure. Another way to check is to pick 2 points on the line and look to see what the slope is. If we look at that second line, it goes through the point negative 3, 0 and negative 1, 1. If we draw a little triangle there, we've got a rise of 1 and a run of 2. So it looks like that slope is also 1/2, just like the first one. That's enough for me to conclude that they're parallel. And we know that when the lines are parallel, there is no solution, which is what we're going to put here.